Hi there, I'm teacher Selly, and I'm excited to help you improve your English skills. I'm a certified English teacher with several years of experience in teaching English to adults of different levels and background. Whether you want to improve your English for work, travel, or personal reasons, I can help you achieve your goal. My teaching style is interactive, dynamic, and fun. I use a variety of materials and activities to make my lessons engaging and relevant to your needs and interests. I focus on developing your skills like speaking skills, listening, reading, and writing, as well as grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. I also provide feedback and support to help you overcome your challenges and boost your confidence. I love teaching English because it allows me to meet people from different cultures, different backgrounds. So that's where I share my passion for languages. Some of my hobbies are reading, cooking, and traveling. Yeah, so if you're looking for a friendly and professional English teacher who can help you reach your full potential, look no further. Join my classes today and discover how to be your true self in English going at your own pace. So if you have any questions or requests, please don't be afraid to reach out. All right, or to contact me. All right, hope to hear from you soon. All right, bye bye.